Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you the face unlock tips on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll show you the couple of tries to unlock the device and we'll see how hard this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works here. It's just normally unlock the device. I'm just sitting and I wearing with the sunglasses with the glasses here, and I just think that now I'll show you how the device will unlock with the glasses. So let's start. That's I'm with the glasses, and now I'll just take off the glasses. So as can you see, the just device unlock the I just unlocked the device just with the same time. I think that in 1 second. So the face unlock feature works here very good. It's recognized the me with the glasses or without them. So if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the PIN codes or passcodes, you can use the face unlock here, but don't forget that the face unlock less secure than the PIN code or passcodes or pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.